We are here for a geophysical survey using the resistivity meter. In this case, we are using the Herojat Romega Smart. So we're taking this, we're using the Schlumberger array. You can see we have two electrodes. This is a potential. This is a potential, and then you have the current. We have four electrodes here arranged: 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four electrodes, and this is the equipment itself. So you can see the wires. 2 are meant for current, 2 are meant for the potential. So what really happened here is that in trying to carry out this kind of survey, we probe by sending the current through the current electrode. We send the current, and the distance here we are using here for this electrode, Mn over 2 is 0.5 meters, and AB over 2 is 1 meter. So we are going to probe it, send the current into the ground, and it's being measured through the potentials, which is P1, P2. And the reading that we'll have will be resistance in ohms. And by the time we have this resistance, we'll now use to calculate the apparent resistivity. And that is what we use in plotting the graph on the log graph. Not the normal graph, the log graph. So by the time you plot the graph, we'll be able to carry out our interpretations. So what we'll be doing here basically is the Schlumberger method. If we have taken the first measurement, you can see the readings here on the screen. The equipment is on. So by the time we are done with this, we move to the next measurement, which is AB over 2, which is 4. Sorry, 2. AB over 2 is 2. So we still take that measurement. If you can see here, this is a point that we have 1. So our 2 next point will be here. So we are going to be moving the electrode. So you can dismantle the current. Move the current. Okay, remove it gently and move to the next AB over 2. You can use the hammer and hit it gently, and then what you have removed, put that one back. That one is a potential. So you can see the young man is hitting AB over 2 at 2 meters. The electrode is being hit firmly into the ground. Remove this. He's trying to remove the electrode. You remove it gently, and then you hit. Using the sledgehammer. Okay, it's okay. So we are going to, by the time we do this, we disconnect and roll the cable gently. Don't leave it there. We'll roll it gently, clip it. So it's being clipped. We disconnect this side too. You roll the cable gently and clip. Okay. So we connect back. We connect back. We connect back. Good. And then we are probing again. We probe. Remember, we maintain the potentials. It's only when we are looping that we move the potential. We connect this. It's only when we are looping. So we are probing. So it's probing now. And by the time the feedback is ready, it's probing. Okay. Hit the electrode again. The error is high, so we repeat the reading again. Yes, hit it down more. Okay. Okay, we'll probe again and see the outcome. The current is being sent into the ground, and what is being measured is the resistance. What is being measured is the resistance. Remember, we know that from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So if current and voltage are known, resistance can be calculated. You can see the percentage is very good now.
Very, very good.
The error is very, very good now. So we can take our readings. Please kindly take the readings. The readings are here.
So
The readings are here. So what we are going to do, we gently disconnect. We gently disconnect and then move to the next. Remove gently. They are trying to remove the electrode. Remove the electrode. Use the hammer to hit. So move. The next reading is AB over 2, which is 4. 4. Move to 4. Yes, that is AB over 2. It's 4 meters. And they are trying to hit the electrode so that we can send the current. We can probe. That is the right grammar to use. The other young man is also hitting over there. Good. Hitting over here. So by the time you hit, you drag the cable gently so that it doesn't tangle. And clip. See what they are doing? Dragging the cable. That is a current electrode being clipped. Aha. So we come back and also connect gently. We connect gently and then we probe again. We probe again and it's probing. And it's probing. Current is being sent into the ground again. What happened here is that the more we spread, the deeper the current goes down into the ground. The measurements, we have very good measurements. So we can take our readings now.
27.
We can take our readings now.
Yes. So I have a question.
Hold on. So we have taken our readings now. And based on our record sheet here, the next measurement is 6. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And we are probing at 6. So what we normally do is gently you disconnect here first. You disconnect, and there you move at 6. They are removing the electrodes. I'm removing the electrodes. This is our setup here. This is our setup. Here is Justin. Football pitch. 6. We have already. Yes. You hit gently and you drag the cable gently. You drag the cable gently as the young man is doing there. And you clip. You clip. You drag the cable and clip. Okay. So you come back and connect carefully. Do your connection carefully back to the equipment, and we probe again. We probe. Like I was saying, the cables are being spread, the deeper we are probing down. Remember, at this point we are on a 6 meters, AB over 2, 6 meters. Is that right? 6 meters, and we're now probing. So after this, we are going to get the
27.
good reading. So the result is there. So they will take the measurement. They will take the measurement, and at this point, where AB over 2 is 6, we're now going to loop. We're going to repeat the reading. What do? We gently disconnect the potentials. Gently disconnect the potentials, both from the electrodes and from the cable. And then you gently remove to 1. We're now looping. We're now looping. And what is the essence of looping? Wait. Remove this. Yes, another point, so that it will be firm, but the same measurement. Do you understand? So they are hitting the electrode, the potential. You gently drag and clip, and you connect you can see the students are doing it by themselves. This is one good thing about the geophysics. We talk the theory and we do the practicals, and you see the results. So at this point, we are going to probe again. We are going to probe again and see how the outcome will be like. So what we are going to do here, we are looping. And what is the essence of looping? It ensures that the measurements are in order. The measurements are in order. That is looping. Please hit the distance. The readings are not so good. Remove and hit down. So we probe again. If one good thing about this equipment is that it processes the measurements and gives you the error. If the error is so high, it will tell you, and then you do some adjustments. Maybe this thing is not properly, it's not firm. No, remove the electrodes. Remove the electrodes. Yes, shift it behind and hit it in a new place.
Take it back a little. Yeah.
So you can clip it. Make sure that it's properly clipped. Make sure that everything is connected properly. It's carefully clipped. Let's probe again. No, oh no, okay, I did set potential, okay. So we are still probing. We are still probing. At this point, AB over 2 is 6. MN over 2 is 1.
68.3.
Okay, we can go with the reading. It's because we have changed the distance. Take the reading. So at this point, what we are going to do, just like I've said, we are going to move AB over 2 to 150. And as we are moving, we continue to loop as we move. Thank you.